I know I recently made an EDC video a couple of months ago, but with me starting this new job and me being in an office every day, the things that I carry has changed a lot. Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Michael Evans, and today we're going to go over the things I carry every day. My last video was my best video to date, and if you missed it, don't worry, you can check it out. I'll leave it in the description below. That video mostly covered the things that I carry with me when I'm traveling or when I'm out and about in the city or doing things. This video will be mostly about the things that I carry with me every day when I have to go into work. Let's get started with the thing I carry everything in, and that is my Air Tech case. This case is super rugged and really versatile, and it enables me to carry all the things I need for my workday. It has a tough exterior and premium zippers, which is something that I look for when I want a bag that I need to carry with me all the time. Everything about this bag is high quality. This bag can hold a 16-inch laptop, which is a little bit larger than what I carry now, which is a 14-inch laptop, and we'll get to that a little bit later. It has a quick access pocket and a luggage pass-through. It also has a strap if you want to carry it on your shoulder, but for me, I mostly just carry it like a briefcase. This tech case has all the pockets that you could ever need for all your pens, trinkets, notebooks, and everything else that you need to carry with you, including a water bottle. It also has a pocket in the main compartment for that as well. Now we can talk about my phone of choice, which is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This phone has done very well for me. I know the camera button has been a big spot for contention with creators, but for me, it's something that I don't really use at all. I only use it to activate the camera. Next, we can talk about my watch of choice. This is still the Apple Watch Ultra. This is the OG Apple Watch Ultra. It's crazy that I can even say that, but this watch has just been really great for me. I see no reason to upgrade it for any reason other than just to have a black one. So it's just a little bit too expensive to justify that for me. But this watch has been great. It still lasts 2 to 3 days on a single charge, and I have no issues with it. So this is my favorite watch and something that I wear almost every day unless I forget to put it on. And like I said, there's no reason to upgrade if this watch is doing everything that I need it to do. Now, if Apple were to come out with an Apple Ring, that would be really interesting and something that I would buy into to get more data on your sleep and all sorts of stuff, because I don't wear my watch to bed, so it's a little too bulky for bed, but it works well for what I'm doing now, so I'm just going to continue using that. For my note-taking and all the things that I need to keep track of throughout my workday, I use the iPad Mini version 6. This has been a great addition to my kit, and it just really helps me keep track of all the things that I need, and it doesn't take up a big footprint. So I can carry it with me just like a little notebook, and it's great just to be able to walk around the office and have that with me and have my notes and be able to jot down the things that I need to take care of throughout my day-to-day tasks. It really does everything that I need it to do. And yeah, there are a few things that I wish it would have had, but I can't really ask for much more than what it's offering me currently. One of the things that I wish it did had was a higher refresh rate for the screen. But in retrospect, I really think that might have killed the battery a lot faster than not having it, which, you know, I do appreciate that the battery lasts as long as it does. It will usually last me 2 to 3 days, which is amazing. And I primarily use it for note-taking, reading emails, and using Microsoft Teams. So with those things, I don't necessarily need a high refresh rate, and I haven't noticed personally any difference with my other devices. The second thing that I think that would have been amazing to have would be the face unlock. This I don't think would have messed with the battery at all, and I wouldn't have to try to remember, because I'm always, when I have to unlock it, I'm like, oh, I need to use my finger on the top of the power button to unlock it. It's something that I have to be consciously thinking about, because all the other mobile devices that I have from Apple have face unlock. So that is a little just inconvenience thing, but everything else about this iPad is really awesome. I don't really have any other bad things to say about it. I mean, even those two things aren't necessarily bad, but those are the two kind of things that I wished it was going to have and why I waited for this version to come out before I bought into the iPad mini. If you do have any other questions about the iPad mini, please leave them in the comments below. But this has been a great device for me, and I'm really glad that I bought into this, and this is just my 2 cents on things that I wish that it did have. Next, let's talk about all the little things that I keep in the pockets of my bag. First, we can start off with my keys. Gotta have those. Next up, we can talk about my wallet. Yes, I'm still rocking the same wallet. This wallet is from Distill Union. The only thing that it is kind of missing is RFID protection, but other than that, it's been an amazing wallet. It has 2 pockets that have quick pull tabs, which it really just enables you to get to your cards super quick. And I love that it's made of genuine leather and it just ages perfectly over time. My writing utensil of choice, other than my Apple Pencil Pro, is my Nomad pen. This pen writes superbly and I've had no issues with it, so if it's not broken, there's no need to try to fix it. And I carry a few cables in my bag as well. With my other bag, I carry a few things that I don't necessarily need in my day-to-day with being in the office. One of those things is sunglasses. I don't really need that. I'm inside 99% of the time, so that's not a need for me. The other thing is a battery backup, and since I'm in the office, there's plenty of outlets to charge up the things that I need that I'm using day to day. I've been thinking about carrying my Fujifilm X106 with me into work. This is something that I'm currently not doing, but maybe that'll change. As of right now, it's something that I'm just not gonna take with me at this moment. Something that I do carry with me almost every day is my laptop. I was lucky enough to get the MacBook Pro M4 Max. I haven't really been putting this computer through its paces. It has been serving me very well though, and I have no slowdowns or any issues with it at all. Maybe later on I'll be able to use this computer to its fullest, and when I do, I'll be able to make an update to this video and I'll let you guys know how that goes. So stay tuned for that. Now, this MacBook Pro is not completely maxed out. I only have 36 gigs of RAM in it, and I'm using a 2 terabyte. This is also running on version 15.2 of Sonoma at the moment, and it's just working really well for me. I have, like I said, no issues. It's a great computer and I'm lucky to have it. At home, I'm still rocking the M1 Max. This computer is what I'm editing this video on, and it's still working like a champ, and like this computer has no issues either. I haven't really seen any slowdowns or anything with the stuff that I do on it, and it's amazing. So if you're in the market for something and you don't really want to break the bank with the new stuff, you can get the M2, the M3s, M1. They're still great computers. Apple is really outdoing themselves when they started making their own silicon. So I don't foresee any issues with the M4 Max, and I'm excited to use it in the upcoming work that I have. All right, so let's get this bag packed up. In the main compartment, I like to put my computer and power cable with the cord and everything. So that just goes in there. We'll zip that up. In this other compartment, I keep my iPad mini. Put that in there. I have my lip balm and my AirPods. I keep my keys, wallet, have a compartment for a pen right there, cables, and if I'm going to carry my backup, my power bank, I can put this in here as well. And then zip it up. I like to clasp this just to keep the handles together, and I'm ready to go. That's it. So this is everything that I carry with me on my day-to-day, just going into the office, and some of the things that I don't carry with me. And I hope you liked this video. So if you did, please like and subscribe, as it helps a ton, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you.
I days you've gotten me through.